Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a high-performance laptop with incredible storage, speedy performance, and seamless productivity, then you're going to love today's review of the HP Go 15.6-inch laptop. But before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available and grab yours today. Now, let's talk about why the HP Go 15.6 inches laptop is making waves. First off, this laptop comes with 32 GB of RAM, which is perfect for multitasking and handling even the most demanding applications. Whether you're running multiple programs, working on large files, or streaming content, this laptop can handle it all with ease. One of the standout features is the 1.6 TB of storage. This is split into 128 GB onboard storage, plus HP P500 512 GB portable SSD, and 1 TB of OneDrive storage. That's a lot of space to store your files, videos, games, photos, and more. You'll never have to worry about running out of storage again, and the HP P500 SSD ensures fast file transfers and instant access to your important files wherever you go. The laptop is powered by an Intel quad-core processor, delivering smooth performance and handling everything from everyday tasks to intensive workloads. Coupled with Wi-Fi 6, you'll enjoy ultra-fast internet speeds and a seamless online experience whether you're working from home, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows. And let's not forget the all-new Windows 11 operating system. The sleek interface, enhanced security, and new features like virtual desktops and better multitasking make it the perfect platform for both work and play. Plus, the laptop comes with a 12-month Microsoft 365 subscription, so you get access to all your essential Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. The 15.6-inch display offers crisp and clear visuals, making it great for both work and entertainment. Whether you're editing documents, watching movies, or playing games, the screen quality will not disappoint. In terms of design, the HP Go laptop is sleek and portable, making it ideal for those on the go. Whether you're working from a coffee shop or traveling, it's lightweight and easy to carry around. To sum it up, the HP Go 15.6 inches laptop offers unbeatable performance, massive storage, and all the tools you need to stay productive. With the Intel quad-core processor, 32 GB RAM, 1.6 TB storage, Wi-Fi 6, and Windows 11, it's a perfect blend of power and convenience. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best deal on this laptop. Trust me, you don't want to miss out.